Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to give you 14 paid courses for free. Before moving to our courses, if you haven't subscribed my channel then subscribe, and if you like this video then hit the like button. Our first course is requested by one of our subscriber, that is about LinkedIn. So we are going to see the first course is about LinkedIn only. That is how to grow your network and find a remote job on LinkedIn. Let's move to our second course. Second course is about machine learning and deep learning in Python language and as well as R language. I already give this course before, but this is a high demand course. You can enroll it now. This is valid only for 1 day. Third course is about Bitcoin. Course number 4 is about complete guide to Pinterest. Fifth course is about Google Analytics. Sixth course is about social media marketing strategy. Seventh course is about business communications. Eighth course is about journalism careers. Ninth course is about complete Google Docs course. Yesterday I give you a course about G Suite where all the Google products are covered, including Docs, PowerPoint and many more. 10th course about understanding the selection process. Course number 11 is about understanding air mode of international transport and international trade of import-export. Course number 12 is about Arabic language. If you want to learn Arabic, then you can enroll for this course. Course number 13 is about contracts management in construction project. In this course, you are going to learn about cost management, contract management, surveying and many more concepts. This course is about 1 hour only, valid for 2 days only. If you interested in this, then enroll as early as possible. And last course is about Amazon dropshipping. If you like these courses, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you want any particular courses for free, then comment below. I will try to give you. So that's it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching this video.